In this video, I will show you step by step how you can add a trading robot to your chart on Metatrader 5. So a lot of people use trading robots these days to trade for them automatically on Metatrader 5. Now to set one of these up, what we can do is we can simply head over to Metatrader 5. And then for example, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the market. So I'm just going to click on market down here, and then you will then be brought over to the MQL5 store. And then you want to select experts. Now there is paid experts, and some of these can get quite expensive, but there is also free ones that you can use as well. So if you go to the drop down menu, select free, there is also some half decent free ones that you can use on here, which will trade for you manually on a demo account if you just want to see how they perform before risking any personal money. Now what we can do is we can find the one that we want. So for example, I will go to XAU USD 5 minute, click on this one, and then you simply just want to click on download. So if we go to one that we need to download, right, you can then select download. That will then download this to your Metatrader 5. As you can see here, I've previously downloaded this one, and then once we've got the one that we want, we can simply go back down to the bottom. I'm going to open up my XAU USD chart here, and let me just close the market. Now what we can do is we can go over to the left hand side. Now it will look like this. Now you want to go to your expert advisors, click on the drop down menu, and then you want to click on market. And here is where you'll be able to see your installed trading robots. So for example, if I go to XAU USD 5 minute, double click on this, I want to obviously replace the one that I've got on already. And then I'm going to click on yes. And then you want to make sure that you select allow algo trading, click on OK. And then once you do this, as you can see, it has now been added in the top right hand corner. So once it has added, you can then double click on this to open it up. You can see all of the different settings, and you can also load different set files and things like that if you've got some. If you go to common, you'll just be able to see the name and the creator. And then once we've got this all set up and we've allowed algo trading, all we need to do then to set this up is go to the top left here, click on algo trading. And then once this is green, and once it has got a play button and the little hat icon in the top right hand corner is blue, that means that this trading robot is now active, and it will start trading whenever it does come across any setups according to the rules set on this trading robot. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can add a trading robot to your chart on Metatrader 5.